Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will be playing You Are My Sunshine on our guitars. Throughout the video, you'll get different strumming patterns and picking patterns so that you can make it your own and so that it matches the level of playing that you're at, because we have beginners and more advanced people watching these tutorials. The three chords that we need today are A, D, and E. The strumming pattern you can do if you are a little more advanced is down, down, up, down, up, or even down, chuck, up, chuck, up. If you're not quite there yet, then I would like for you to do down strums. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. If you can do a little more, then it can be quarter notes. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. If you can do a little more, then do down, 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 down. Sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Okay, this time let's try it with the other strumming pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Okay, so now I'd like to teach you a beautiful picking pattern that sounds so nice for this song. I'm going to bring the guitar up here so it's easier to see. I'm only going to be using the 4 strings that are closest to the floor. And let me play it for you first so you can hear it. Sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when... Okay, go ahead and notice my hands. Look up. Right now, I want you to notice, am I pulling the strings out like this? No. So a mistake that a lot of beginners make, or people who are first into finger picking, is that they think the word plucking, finger plucking. And I try not to use that word. I try to call it picking or finger picking, because I don't want to get the image in your head that this should be a pulling out of the strings. I don't even want to do it because I'm so close to the microphone. When you pull the strings out, what it does, I'm going to do it a little further away. It makes the string bounce off, hit the fret wire, and come back. And it's not a pleasant sound. So go ahead and put your thumb on string 4 and pick downwards to where your thumb ends up touching the index finger. Good. Now with the index finger on string 3, go ahead and pick upwards towards your face. And if you're thinking, wow, that's really soft, that's right. Sometimes we're so used to strumming where we hear 6 or 5 strings all at once that when we go to picking, we think, oh, that's not the sound I want. So train yourself to get a new sound out of your instrument, okay? So let's do it string 4 and 3, 4 and 3, 4 and 3, 4 and 3. 2 more times. 3, 4 and 3. Okay, perfect. Now the middle and ring are going to operate together, pulling up towards your face as well. Go ahead and pull up on strings B and E. So putting it together, it's strings 4, 3, 2, 1, back to 3. Try again. Thumb, index, middle ring, index. And look at your hand when you're doing it. Maybe you already are looking at your hand. Thumb, index, middle ring, index. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Sometimes people will ask me, what's a good warm-up for my instrument? This would be a great warm-up to try this finger picking pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, last 1 and 4 and. Now let's try to add the chord. Let's do it on A, and we're gonna do 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, like that. Ready? Go. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Last time. Now let's do it faster, like this. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, you can do it. Ready, go. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3. Stay here.
My sunshine, my only sunshine, you make me.
Go ahead and switch to D chord. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go.
Happy when skies are.
Go back to A. 1, 2, ready, go.
Gray, you'll never.
D chord, ready, go.
Know, dear, how much I
Back to A.
love you. Please don't take.
Here we have E chord, and there are some fingers that are beyond string 4. You don't need those. So just use the fingers that you're actually picking on.
Sunshine away.
Now let me share with you something that I share with my Patreon members when we do live lessons. And it's that the lesson right now should feel like a grocery shopping trip to you, where you're getting ingredients and you're not expecting to cook at the grocery store, right? You're there to pick all the ingredients you need for your meals. So with this lesson, I hope you're not feeling the pressure to cook, so to speak, to make it all sound right just yet. This is more of a guide, and then you can pause or come back to this tomorrow, and you'll be a lot better. Especially if you put good sleep between your practice, you'll be a lot better. So now let me play for you what it'll sound like. Save this timestamp so that you can come back to it tomorrow and practice with me from the verse, or from the chorus. Here we go. So our tempo will be right here. Okay, we'll start on the word sun or on sunshine. 1, 2, you can do it. 1, 2, ready, go.
Sunshine, my only sunshine, you make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, dear, as I lay sleeping, I dreamt I held you in my arms. When I awoke, dear, I was mistaken. So I bowed my head and cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. never know, dear, how much I love you.
Slow down.
Please don't take my sunshine. Wrong chord. Sunshine away.
My mistake. I mentioned it briefly during the lesson, but I do teach live lessons via Zoom every Wednesday and Thursday at noon Pacific time, and I do offer the replay for people who are not able to attend their live, and that's from my Patreon community. Patreon is a website that allows you to support creators like me for $5 a month, and then you get something in exchange. So my Patreon members get PDFs that go along with the lessons that I teach and the live lessons. We also do events where we meet up in person, which has been really fun. We did some in the Netherlands, in Vancouver. We've done some in my hometown. So it's fun to plan these events. Let me know how this lesson felt for you and if you enjoyed this picking pattern or if you decided to stick with the strumming pattern. I really do try and read every single comment. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next one.